Did you ever ponder how a simple patent clerk could revolutionize our understanding of the universe? Let's rewind back to the year 1879. In the city of Ulm, Germany, a boy named Albert Einstein was born. Young Einstein was a curious mind trapped in an education system that didn't appreciate his unconventional thinking. He struggled with the rigid rules and rote learning, and at the age of 15, he bid farewell to formal education. But that was not the end of Einstein's academic journey. Instead, he found his own way to the Swiss Federal Polytechnic in Zurich. Here, in this nurturing environment, Einstein flourished. He graduated as a teacher of physics and mathematics, a testament to his unwavering determination and a love for learning that was never extinguished by the earlier hurdles he faced. An unconventional path, perhaps, but one that would lead to extraordinary discoveries. Can you imagine producing multiple world-changing theories in just 1 year? Picture this, it's 1905, and a young patent clerk named Albert Einstein is about to stun the scientific world with an explosion of ideas. This year would later be known as Einstein's Annus Mirabilis, or Miracle Year, a year that forever changed the landscape of physics. The first paper on the photoelectric effect proposed that light was made up of particles, or quanta. This was a radical departure from the prevailing wave theory of light, but it was this very concept that would eventually give birth to quantum mechanics, a field that continues to push the boundaries of physics today. His second paper delved into the curious phenomenon of Brownian motion. Through this, Einstein provided a definitive proof for the existence of atoms and molecules, something that was still being debated at the time. His equations explained the jittery motion of pollen grains in water, a seemingly simple observation that had profound implications. In his third paper, Einstein introduced the world to the theory of special relativity. It was a bold assertion that time and space were not absolute, but relative to the observer. This shattered the Newtonian view of the universe and set the stage for a new understanding of reality. And then came the fourth paper, where Einstein derived the mass-energy equivalence equation, E equals mach squared. This simple yet profound equation told us that mass and energy were interchangeable, a concept that would later underpin the development of nuclear energy. But what's astonishing is that all these groundbreaking ideas were not the product of sophisticated labs or high-end equipment. No, they were the result of a curious mind, a mind that dared to question, to probe, and to imagine. In a single year, Einstein fundamentally altered our understanding of physics. What if I told you that time isn't absolute, but relative? This is the question that Albert Einstein dared to ask, and it led to the birth of his general theory of relativity, a groundbreaking concept that would forever change our understanding of the universe. Einstein's journey towards this theory wasn't a straight path. It was a continuation, an expansion of his earlier work. Remember, this is a man who refused to accept limitations, who dared to push boundaries, who looked at the universe and saw not just what was, but what could be. His theory proposed a radical idea, that the laws of physics remain the same for all non-accelerating observers, and that the speed of light within a vacuum is the same no matter the speed at which an observer travels. This wasn't just a minor tweak to existing theories, it was a seismic shift, a complete reimagining of the way we see the universe. But a theory, no matter how revolutionary, is only as good as the evidence that supports it. And for Einstein, that confirmation came during the solar eclipse of 1919. British astronomer Arthur Eddington observed stars near the sun during the eclipse and found their apparent position was shifted, exactly as Einstein's theory predicted. This was the irrefutable proof that Einstein's theory wasn't just a theory, but a reality. The news of the success of Eddington's expedition spread rapidly across the globe. Einstein, once an obscure physicist, was catapulted to international fame. Scientists hailed him as a genius who had revolutionized our understanding of the universe. But more than that, he became a symbol of the power of the human mind, of our ability to challenge, to question, to explore the deepest mysteries of existence. Einstein's theory not only challenged our perception of time and space, but also made him a scientific celebrity. His work reminds us that the universe is not as straightforward as we might think. It's a complex, beautiful web of connections and relations, waiting for us to unravel its mysteries. And that journey of discovery, that endless pursuit of knowledge, is what Einstein's legacy is all about. How does a man, once a humble patent clerk, leave an indelible mark on the world? Albert Einstein, a physicist who needs no introduction, lived a life that was far from ordinary. After his miraculous year and the establishment of his theory of relativity, Einstein's journey took yet another dramatic turn. In the early 30s, as the political climate in Germany grew increasingly hostile, Einstein made the decision to move to the United States. He accepted a position at Princeton University, a prestigious institution where his research and teachings would continue to push the boundaries of our understanding of the universe. But his influence didn't stop at academia. Einstein was a man of deep conviction, and he used his platform to promote peace. During the Second World War, while the world was embroiled in conflict, Einstein stood firm as a pacifist. He advocated for a world free of war, using his voice to inspire a generation to seek peaceful resolutions. Parallel to his work at Princeton, Einstein played a crucial role in the establishment of the Hebrew University of Jerusalem. This wasn't just a project for him, it was a mission. He believed in the power of education and its ability to shape a better world. This university was his testament to that belief, a place where knowledge could flourish, unhindered by the shackles of prejudice and bias. But what makes Einstein's legacy so enduring? Is it his groundbreaking scientific theories? Yes, but it's also more than that. It's his unwavering commitment to peace, his belief in the transformative power of education, and his relentless pursuit of knowledge, even in the face of adversity. Einstein's life is a testament to the power of the human spirit and the boundless potential that lies within each of us. His story serves as a reminder that no matter where we start, we can reach for the stars and leave our own indelible marks on the world. Einstein's legacy isn't just in his scientific achievements, but also in his commitment to peace and education. So, what can we glean from Einstein's extraordinary journey? A life as remarkable as Albert Einstein's holds invaluable lessons for us all. From his early days as a curious child, Einstein demonstrated the significance of questioning everything. His insatiable curiosity led him to explore the mysteries of the universe, and it can inspire us to seek answers in our lives. Einstein's relentless persistence is another key lesson. Despite facing numerous obstacles, he never gave up on his quest for knowledge. His resilience reminds us that success often lies beyond the challenges we face. Above all, Einstein taught us the power of challenging the status quo. He wasn't afraid to question established theories, and his audacity revolutionized our understanding of the universe. His courage to think differently encourages us to look beyond the conventional, to imagine the unimaginable. In the words of Einstein himself, "The important thing is not to stop questioning. Curiosity has its own reason for existing."